Welcome guys, here we have to find the subsets of a given array. So first of all, let's discuss about what are subsets. Here we have two given arrays A and B. If all elements of B are present in A, then B is called the subsets of A. So as you can see here, the elements in B are already present in A. Hence B is the subset of A. In our problem, we have a given integer array, and here are all the possible subsets of it are 1 2 3 and 1 2 1 3 1 2 3 2. The empty set here denotes the file which is the subsets of all the sets, and as you can see here we have 8 subsets and 8 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. So we can say that a given array of n elements has possible subsets 2 raised to the power n. So now let's move on how we're gonna solve this. Here as you can see on the screen, at first we include 3. In the second case we are not including 3, and we repeatedly doing the same process in the rest of them. So now let's have a look on this concept. Here at first we include the first element, and in second choice we will remove it from our answer array. Then again for the first case we have two choices. First we include the second element, and second one to remove it from our answer array. And then same for the third case where we include the third element, and in other choice we not include the third element. To code this, we make a temp array and a answer array where we store all the subsets of it. Here our self work will be, first of all we will push back the first element, and then we call recursion to push back rest of the element. And when recursion reach its base conditions, then during backtracking we will pop back our elements and again call recursion for I plus 1 element. And the base conditions for our given functions will be when I reaches n, then we will push back our temp vector to our answer vector and then return from our functions. Now let's code this. So here at first we make a temp vector to store all the sets element, and then n, which is the size of nums vector, and then we call our function. And also we have to define a answer vector to store all the subsets of temp. Then at end we return our answer vector. Our function will be of void type. Here I is to iterate our array and n is the size of the given array, and our temp vector, and finally our nums vector. Here first of all we push back our first element and call recursions to push back the rest of the elements, and then in backtracking we will pull back the element and again call recursions to pull back all the elements. And in the base condition when I equals n, we will push back temp into answer vector. So now in the end, let's run the code. Here it accepted. Now let's click on the submit button. And finally, here we go. I know that the explanation is not that good, but at least I made this.